Welcome to this tutorial on rounding with np.round. In this video, you'll learn how to round array elements to specified decimal places using NumPy's powerful rounding function. np.round is a NumPy function that rounds array elements to the nearest integer or to a specified number of decimal places. An important feature is that it returns a new array with the rounded values, which means your original array remains unchanged and unmodified. The basic syntax of np.round is straightforward. It takes two parameters. The first parameter, A, is the input array that you want to round, and the second parameter, decimals, specifies the number of decimal places you want to round to. The decimals parameter has a default value of 0, which means if you don't specify it, the function will round to the nearest integer. Let's look at a basic example. We start by importing NumPy as np, then we create an array containing the values 3.7, 8.2, 1.9, and 5.4. When we call np.round on this array without specifying the decimals parameter, it rounds each element to the nearest integer. The result is a new array containing 4, 8, 2, and 5 as floating point numbers. You can control the precision of rounding by specifying the decimals parameter. In this example, we have an array with mathematical constants: pi approximation 3.14159, e approximation 2.71828, and square root of 2 approximation 1.41421. When we round with decimals equal to 2, we get 3.14, 2.72, and 1.41. With decimals equal to 3, we get 3.142, 2.718, and 1.414. Here's a powerful feature. You can use negative values for the decimals parameter to round to tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on. Starting with an array of integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 0, 1, 2, when we use decimals equal to -1, the function rounds to the nearest 10, giving us 1230, 5680, and 9010. With decimals equal to -2, it rounds to the nearest 100, resulting in 1200, 5700, and 9000. np.round works seamlessly with multidimensional arrays. In this example, we have a 2x2 matrix with values 1.567, 2.891 in the first row, and 3.234, 4.678 in the second row. When we apply np.round with decimals equal to 1, the function rounds each element individually, maintaining the array's shape. The output is a 2x2 matrix with values 1.6, 2.9 in the first row, and 3.2, 4.7 in the second row. Let's recap the key points about np.round. First, it always returns a new array, leaving the original array unchanged. Second, it works with arrays of any shape, whether one-dimensional, two-dimensional, or higher. Third, use positive values for the decimals parameter when you want to round to decimal places. And fourth, use negative values for the decimals parameter when you want to round to place values like tens, hundreds, or thousands. This makes np.round a versatile tool for numerical data processing in NumPy.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.